Hello, hello, hello. Virgo. What's up, Virgo? How you doing? If you're new to the channel, please go and hit the subscribe button and join the family right away, right away. Right away. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you've already subscribed to the channel, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your likes, for your shares, your comments. Thank you for your support. I love you all, and I truly appreciate you helping my channel to grow and being a part of it. Okay, so Virgo, what we're going to do is a general reading for the month of April 2022. Okay, again, it's general for the month of April 2022. Let's see what energies await you in the month of April. Spirit, what do we have for Virgo in the month of April 2022? Come on out. There we go. Oh. Okay, so Virgo, the energy of this reading is the Hangman in reverse, okay? The Hanging Man in reverse symbolizes you receiving some type of enlightenment. You were stuck for a while. Oh, my throat chakra is acting up. You were stuck for a while. Maybe there was some kind of energy that was keeping you stuck, Virgo. I don't know exactly what this is about. We're going to get into it, but you've definitely received some kind of enlightenment. Okay, so all the things that were keeping you bound has now maybe been released. You come to the enlightenment to release yourself from something that was keeping you stuck. Okay? For the beginning of the month, we have the Two of Cups. What's going on, Virgo? Something that started in October, I believe, is turning into something magical here in the beginning of the month of April is what I'm seeing. Okay? For the middle of the month, I got the Hierophant in reverse. And to me, that's like a marriage or some kind of long-term relationship that ended. So there's probably some information about that. That's in the middle of the month of April here. And for the end of the month here, we have the Four of Wands that is in the reverse. So, it's like a celebratory energy of home life or something like that at the end of the month. That is not, it's not a good, like almost like not happy with your home life, in other words, is what I'm getting at here, Virgo. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's find out what's going on. Talk about the Two of Cups, please. There we go. Okay. All right, Virgo. So when it comes down to the beginning of the month, the Two of Cups here, there is something that you are not happy about here. That is not your this is about a relationship where you did not, it wasn't a 10 of Cups moment. It wasn't everything that you thought that it was going to be. It wasn't the happy home, the just emotional happiness completely that you thought that it was going to be, Virgo. And it kind of sent you spinning, looking for what was going to take care of you in some kind of way here. So this feels like you were realizing something that you thought was like a divine relationship wasn't anything what you thought it was. Oh, there was so a 10 of cups, I'm sorry, let me take that back. A relationship that sprouted from a 10 of cups that was in reverse, that didn't happen. Like it was a 10 of cups that wasn't good. So it was like you thought that you had it all in a relationship, right? And it ended in October, okay? And what happened when it ended in October, it set you out on the path of wondering who was going to love you, who was going to take care of you, right? And then it sent you into a period of planning for your Pentacles. So you started planning and yeah. So this is about a relationship, I guess that you found a love relationship after a 10 of Pentacles crashed. The 10 of Cups crashed, okay? I'm getting a little ahead of myself, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. And you held on and waited for your ships to come in after this relationship crashed. So this is what we're talking about here in the beginning of the month here. So this feels like this is about a relationship that had ended, had crashed in the past, which may have led to a new relationship. Let's talk about the Hierophant in reverse. Okay, so it's almost as if you're reflecting on a relationship that ended in the past, Virgo. And in the middle of the month, you're reflecting on it was a long-term relationship and you're still like letting go of the burdens from that long-term relationship that didn't show any growth. But you're still wondering if you should put any more work into this situation. But there's no growth, double confirmation on there was no growth with this situation at all. Virgo, what are you doing? Are you just reflecting on a past relationship? You're still letting go of the burdens from this relationship. So it almost looks like maybe you're still healing from something that could have happened in the past that you might have felt like was divinely guided. Talk about this lines in reverse here. What is this about? Okay, so the reason why you didn't have a happy home life is because there was no new opportunity, resourcefully, financially, anything from this situation that you were in the past, Virgo. And okay, so it looks like you're reflecting on the decision that you had to make and the judgment that you passed. So it feels like it's like the month of April is like a review of everything that you went through in the past with someone that you thought was a soulmate. It looks like you're going through a review of that entire situation all over again and calling judgment to it. Because you don't want, it's Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or they're somebody that was like in and out of your life. Like you made the decision that you don't want that, Knight of Wands in reverse. You don't want somebody with flighty energy in and out of your life. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like you're it's like, again, like reflecting on everything and then like closing the door on it at the end of the month and calling the judgment on it. That's what it looks like. But it just looks like your mind is going through that again. I wonder why you're going through that again if it's already ended, Virgo. What's going on with that? What makes you reflect on this thing that ended, that wasn't for you, and you see that it wasn't for you? Advice for Virgo moving forward in 2022. So Virgo, you clearly made the wrong choice, right? It's saying you made the wrong choice. It's time for your transformation. Your transformation is taking place at this time. You made the wrong choice. It's time to actually speak up and say it. It's time to say, hey, I made the wrong choice. However it is, it's time for, there's going to be some rushing into the truth coming somewhere. And I knew that this would all come into play somewhere. Something is happening where you're going to have to come out and say this. I made the wrong choice. Because it looks like you're transforming now. And it looks like you've made a judgment on this situation. I don't see anything of any love coming back or anything like that. This is you. This is all in your head, and you're like wrapping up. It's like you ever do, like, whenever the New Year's come and there's like a yearly wrap up, or it's like an overview of all the things that happened for the entire year or whatever the case may be. It looks like you're having a relationship in review. Yeah. A relationship ending review here is what it looks like here. But I have a feeling that it may be a situation where you're going to have to really say this. I made the wrong choice and I'm done. Like, I'm done. The judgment is being called, okay? Because there's someone that is crying over what happened in the past. There's someone that feels like they missed out on something here. And I believe this is a different energy. I believe someone feels like they missed out on something with you, Virgo, and they're crying over the cups that have been spilled. And I think they might be making an appearance to come back. And when they make an appearance to come back, it is up to you to bring that truth. This is dead. This is it. This is done. It needs to be said. You've already changed. You're a changed person, Virgo. You're done. So Yeah. Okay. That was kind of tricky at first, but it all came into view. What is going on, Virgo? What is happening? Someone is coming back crying, begging. I heard pulling out all the stops. So be on the lookout for the cookout, Virgo. For those Virgos that resonate with this message, hit the like button, please. You know, let me know that I'm connecting with your energy. But someone, I feel like someone is coming back, and that's what's going to send you on a relationship end review here, and you're going to pull the trigger. Or it's up to you to pull the trigger and actually say it, and get it done. If you did not do this already, it's time for you to go ahead and don't be shy about ending it. What does the higher self of Virgo have to say at this time? Whoop. It's time for self-care. And you know what else, Virgo? Make room. This is crazy because, okay, I have another message at the bottom of the deck. It says, buckle up. So this is weird here, okay? So the message, the reading started off saying that you are, like, you're in a relationship right now, Virgo. But I have a feeling that someone that you may have thought that you had a 10 of cups with is coming back around, right? Someone that you thought that you had a 10 of cups with is coming back around while you're in a relationship, right? And it sounds like you're going to have to make a decision and call judgment on this, like officially slay the dragon is what I just heard. When I get the make room message here in higher self messages, this is a message of either someone is about to move in with you or you're about to move in with someone else. Because it's like you get a visual of clean out that other side of the closet, clean out that other side of your dresser. You know what I mean? Like, make room for someone else to come into your life because someone is coming into your life to be in your life, okay? Self-care, of course, that's do things for yourself and take care of yourself. That's self-explanatory, okay? But buckle up. That means you're getting ready to go on an adventure. Spirit is getting ready to take you somewhere, Virgo. Okay. Well, hey, if this message resonates with you in your situation, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe, Virgo. What are you waiting on? Subscribe. Join the family. If you'd like to schedule a personal reading with me, check the description box below. I also have merchandise and stuff like that. All kind of interesting stuff going on down there in the description box. I also have these oracle cards that I and Spirit co-created called Answers from Your Higher Self Oracle Deck. Okay, so go and check that out. This looks good for you, Virgo. I like it. It looks like you're getting ready to make some moves, and I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Peace.